Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to another wonderful and powerful recipe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to attract someone into your life with date of birth. If you're looking for a way to attract somebody into your life, you can use date of birth to attract them into your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so make sure that you're going to watch this video to the end, and if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Okay, if you have somebody that you like, somebody that you are having feelings for, but you don't want to be the one to approach this person. You want to, stay and the person will come to you. You need to do this, okay, with date of birth to make that person, to attract that person to yourself. Okay, so there are materials that you need to have. There are items that you need to have to carry out this love spell. Okay, you need to get these materials to carry out this love spell. Okay, it's very, very important. And make sure that this love spell is something that you are going to do with pure intention, that you're not going to do this, to harm anybody or to use it to take advantage of people. Okay, it's very, very wrong. Please make sure that you are using this, for something good. Okay, so what you need to do is to get a piece of paper, right? You need to get a piece of paper, okay? Just a piece of paper like this, okay? Now, when you get a piece of paper like this, you're going to get your pen. It can be blue, it can be red pen, okay? Now, when you get the pen, you are going to write your name and your date of birth, okay? And you are going to write the person's name and the date of birth, okay? If you don't know the person's name or the date of birth, there is no problem. You can just write your own name, okay? And if you have the details of where the person is living, you can put it inside, the writing. You can include it in the writing, okay? But you need to get a little detail of that person, okay? Either phone number or where the person is living, if you do not have the date of birth or the name, okay? But make sure that your own, you are going to write your name and your date of birth, okay, on the white piece of paper, okay? So you write first, you are going to write your name, okay? Then you write your date of birth, okay? You write your date of birth, the month, the year, the day you were born. That is what you are going to write on the piece of paper, and your own name. Okay, same thing goes to the person's name that the person you want to attract. You are going to write the person name, the date of birth, but you don't have the person name. Like I said, write the place the person is living or the phone number. Okay, so after writing the names on the piece of paper, the next item that you should get is a feather. Okay, you need to get a white feather from a pigeon or any bird, okay, but not fowl, okay, not fowl. Just get a feather from pigeon or any other bird, okay, just get a feather, okay, white like this. Now when you get it, you are going to cut that feather with razor blade, okay, just get your razor blade and cut the feather on the ground, okay, just get a little of the feather, okay. Let me show you how we can do that. Okay, so this is the little of that feather. Okay, now after cutting the feather like this, you get your honey, original honey. Make sure you're using original honey. Okay, now you are going to use this feather to take a little honey. Okay, just you do it like this. Okay, with the feather, and use that honey with the feather and rub on that name, the date of birth. Okay, you rub it on that name with the date of birth, and as you're rubbing it, you are going to be making your request. Okay, you call the name of that person 3 times and you start saying what you want. That let the universe bring both of you together. Okay, let this feeling that you have for him or her grow. Okay, let them come to you. You make your request, say what you want. Okay, as you're rubbing that honey on the feather. Okay, now after rubbing that honey on the feather, you keep the feather on top of names. Okay, now you are going to fold that white piece of paper 3 times towards you. Okay, you fold it for the first one, you say come to me. Okay, when you fold once, you say come to me, call the name of the person and say come to me. You fold the second one and you say come to me. Okay, call the name of the person and say come to me. Then you fold the third one, which is the last one, and you say come to me. Okay, now after folding the white piece of paper like this, the next thing that you should do is to get a candle, a white candle, set it on the ground and use that candle to burn the white piece of paper. Okay, after burning the white piece of paper, the ashes are going to drop on the ground. You are going to pack the ashes, okay, just off the candle after the paper must have finished burning. Then pack the ashes, okay, go out to a road that leads to different places, that has 4 connections to different places. Okay, a junction that leads to 4 different places. Go to a road that leads to different places but has 4 connections. Okay, that is where you are going to drop the ashes of that paper that you have burnt. Okay, that is where you are going to drop the ashes of that paper that you have burnt. Okay, after doing this recipe, just relax and start observing what is going to be happening. Okay, how that person will be, you know coming to you. Person will start having feelings. If the person is not having feelings, if the person is not thinking about you, if the person that you want to attract has no feelings towards you, the person will start developing a strong feeling. The person will start coming to you. Okay, this is what you can do to attract anyone into your life. Okay, if you have somebody that you have feelings for, somebody that you like, you want to date this person, but you don't know how to approach this person, this is something that you can do to make that person, come to you. Okay, make sure that you're doing this for good. Don't use it for evil. Okay, love spell is something that you should do for good, not for evil. Okay, and this spiritual recipe, you can do it anytime, in the morning, afternoon, or night. You can do it anytime at the comfort of your home. Okay, so that is what you can do to attract someone into your life with their date of birth. Okay, you can do this recipe anytime, like I said. Okay, do this anytime and you are going to attract that person. Okay, being it a man, being it a woman, anybody that you have feelings for, anybody that you like, but you don't want to approach the person. Some people that are afraid or are shy to approach people to share their feelings to them. You can do this recipe at the comfort of your home and watch. After doing this, watch out how that person is going to come to you. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in this video today. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, you can use the comment section. Okay, ask your question on the comment section. I'll reply you. And if you have not subscribed but you like this channel, just hit that subscription button, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure that you turn on the notification button. It's very, very important, so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it. Okay, my mission here is to teach you what you can do to help your relationship to be sweet and beautiful. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys today. If you want to talk to me directly, please use the comment number on the screen. Sorry, use the number on the screen. Chat me up directly on my WhatsApp so we talk. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.